physics problem solve korisu. Okay, so the problem is the force F acting on a particle of mass m is indicated by the force time graph as shown below. The change in momentum of the particle over the time interval from 0 to 8 seconds is 1. Okay, so I already know that change in momentum is given by the area under the ft graph. Now the ft graph is given in this manner, and as you can see, the graph comprises of very regular geometric figures, so we need not use any sort of integration or anything such like that. So আমি কি কৰিলো, area under the ft graph ওলাব হলে আমি first area of the triangle abc লম. Area of the triangle abc which is given by half base times height, তাৰ মানে ultimately half into 2 into 6. Next subtract কৰিম area of cdef. cdef কি হৈ আছে, axis ৰ তলত আছে. That means the force that you are using is causing the negative work. So negative work কৰাৰ কাৰণে আমাৰ momentum change to বেলেগ হ'ব. So for that we are subtracting it and we are writing cf times dc. cf times dc. Likewise for the rectangle gfhi or figf, also the area is given as fi times gf. So if we substitute the values from the graph, we get the answer 6 Newton seconds. So the option B is correct. I hope you have understood. Thank you.